Hello students, today we learn last lecture the bronze, copper alloys or copper alloys of copper means mixture of bronze. Now start the transmission line. The transmission line is a very important in electrical engineering. Transmission line are used for electrical power transfer. Transmission line includes wire, coaxial cable, power lines, etc. Now, what is the coaxial cable? Coaxial cable consists of central conductors around which insulating material is wrapped, or the central conductor can be made up of copper, germanium, aluminium. Generally, coaxial cables are laid underground cable. This coaxial cable use mostly underground cable, or overhead transmission line use mostly aluminium or copper. Next, wire are used for overhead transmission of power. Wire can be single strands or multi strands depending upon capacity of transmission line. Then in India, power transmission generally done at voltage level like 220 voltage or 132 kV or 222 kV or 110 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV, 11 kV, etc. Is a aluminum conductor steel reinforcement, means in the short form ACSR is the mostly used in transmission line. ACSR in the power system. All aluminum alloy conductor is a triple AC, means AAAC the short form, are used for overhead transmission line. This is the overhead transmission line. Which type of cable? ACSR and triple AC. Okay, ACSR is a steel and aluminium used in ACSR cable, and triple AC is the aluminium alloy and steel is used in triple AC cable. Okay, choice of material depends upon cost materials, then required electrical properties, for example resistivity, temperature, coefficient at expansion. Required mechanical properties, for example mechanical strength, tensile strength, coefficient of linear expansion. So modules of elasticity, weight or of material, etc. or local condition, using for example temperature, depends on moisture, depends on rain, snow or wind or fogs, etc. This is the transmission line. Or the ACSR cable is the ACSR cable, aluminium conductor steel reinforced, the short form of ACSR. Then properties of aluminium conductor steel reinforced. This is the first property, is a low resistance. First property is low resistance. Second property, large mechanical strength. Third, less resistive losses. Fourth number, the variation in resistance due to temperature is less. Low temperature coefficient of expansion. And sixth number, low cost as compared to other material used as transmission conductor. This is the ACSR properties. What is the applications of ACSR properties? It is mainly used in transmission line. This is the application of ACSR cable. Then properties of electrical carbon materials. the properties of electrical carbon materials. In the examination, the last SPPU examination in December 2012 or May 2012 or May 2016-17, in SPPU examination, what is the properties of, or write down the properties of carbon. What is the carbon, or what is the properties of carbon? There are several allotropes of carbon, out of which graphite, diamond, and amorphous carbon are mainly used. Carbon is lighter than most of metals. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. It's very important. Graphite is the good conductor of electricity, and diamond is the bad conductor of electricity. Then the applications of carbon. The applications of carbon: making brushes of electrical machines, then battery cell elements, then contact of resistance or vacuum valves and tubes components, or microphones, or use in the arc light, or use in non-wire resistors, or vacuum valves and tubes components, or use in making carbon electrodes for electric arc furnaces or electrolytic bath and arc welding. Then microphones, members, and other components of telecommunication equipments, etc. using carbon. Then carbon brushes. What is the carbon brushes? The carbon brushes are the material used for supercapacitor. This is very important. Or material as carbon brushes. Carbon brushes is a last. The carbon brushes are mostly preferred for current collections from the rotating parts of electrical machines in the DC motor or AC machines. It is due to following properties of possessed by carbon materials. Then carbon does not melts, whereas melts weld to one another, such as the heat of electric arc, or it has a very high melting point. The very high melting point exists under all rubbing contacts, and this carbon retains its property under this condition due to high melting point. It is about 3000 degrees Celsius. The material used for superconductor. The superconductor can sometimes also called as alta capacitor. This is the second name is superconductor, are mostly sometimes also called as ultra capacitors. The storage energy 8 to 100 times more than normal capacitor. This is very important. The storage energy is 8 to 100 times more than normal capacitor. For example, the capacitor using electrolytic, then rechargeable capacitor. These capacitors are generally used in cars, buses, trains, etc. The materials for the supercapacitor are classified. This is a double layer capacitor, pseudo capacitor, hybrid capacitor. They are using carbon electrodes, carbon fibers, carbon aerosols, or melts oxide, or conducting polymers electrodes, depending on the types of batteries required. Then separators are used to separate the two electrodes to avoid short circuit. Polycarbonate, the Kapton or Ol's glass fiber, acrylic fibers are used as separators. This supercapacitor is classified as double layer capacitor, hybrid capacitor and pseudo capacitor. This topic is next video we will learn. Thank you.